And in today's video, I will show you 3 websites that you can actually use to make money from the comfort of your home without necessarily needing to stress yourself. All you just guys do is say, get your smartphone, get your internet connection, and you're good to go. Alright? But I want one now. This no be money wey be say you go use build house or buy car. No. Now the money wey be say you fit still use to dey see the list to dey augment your normal income stream when they come in, right? And that's why it's called side hustle. Okay. Now make I introduce myself. My name is Collins, and wetin I dey do for this channel be say I dey go get coordinated ogbonge updates on anything wey concern side hustle, make money online, entrepreneurship. I'm going to vet this update, do the research, do the heavy lifting, and I go carry the end product come give my viewers. So that as me now they see bread from all these streams of income online, make my viewers follow me to see bread. But the only thing where you could do for me, now say just subscribe to this channel because you could love the channel. I guarantee you, because they carry exos, a lot of exos, a lot of value come from now. So just subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so you get notified when I drop new content like this. And also like this video so that if you push on out to more people where they look for ways to make money online. Now with all of that being said, make we enter laptop, make I show now CDB. So the first website is actually called sidegig.co, right? And this website offers many cool features and now for freelancers. Now wetin be freelancing? Freelancing, I say when you get skill sets where we say another person they in need of that you can offer freely from the comfort of your home. That's freelancing, right? And these people now they offer a lot of great values. And the good part we say they still pay you your money from into your local bank account. Right, and so we can see good pay rates. Our pay rate is attractive and we're consistent with our payments. All rewards are rewarded, and even if when you refer somebody to this website, you get rewarded for doing that as well. All right, and this website don't get subscription fee. No, they don't have any sort of subscription fee. You can just easily go on this website, sign up, and you can start earning by completing simple taxes. You can see can receive money through my bank account. Make I click on. Yes, we pay into all commercial bank account in Nigeria. Daily tax limit. There is actually no daily tax limit. You can do as much as you want on how your strength fee carry. You know, how much is the registration fee? This one is free. You don't have to register. So, you know, you can actually go on there, just sign up and you're good to go. Once you sign up, you're good to go. You can start completing taxes and they get like many taxes, you know, and a lot of people, they earn money from these websites. Now I don't show now the first website. Kindly do one thing for me, just subscribe to this channel because they carry 2 more updates come. Alright, subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notification bell so you will get notified when I drop new content like this. Now make we enter the other 2 websites, make we finish up because I don't want to make this video long past 7 minutes. Now the second website is called payroot.online. This website I know people when they use this website cash out back to back, and you can see more than 18.7 million naira has been paid out. No registration fee. It's very similar to the last one that I just showed you guys, you know. And this one they offer, they even get plenty taxes. So if you can see unlimited taxes, earn from the unlimited amount of taxes available. You can earn from watching YouTube videos, pay to clicks, offer wall, camp code, referrals. If you earn using friendly referral as well, like policies, weekly contents, free bonuses, they get free bonuses, amazing customer services. Like you can actually earn doing all these things for free. All you just guys will be say sign up. Once you sign up, they'll ask you to put in the information that they need, and then you can just continue from there. Now the third website is Naira Workers. I know say a lot of people don't hear about Naira Workers, but if you've not heard about Naira Workers, welcome to my channel. Now Naira Workers is a very big platform in Nigeria, and even myself I use this Naira Workers sometimes, but not be every time because I know they always get chance to do all these side hustles. So you can see Naira Worker is a freelancing, outsourcing and crowdsourcing platform. We connect clients and freelancers from all over Nigeria. So our marketplace, clients can hire freelancers to do work in areas such as promoting on social media, writing, testing website, data entry. I love this one. Downloading, searching, installing, and testing mobile apps. right through to watching YouTube videos. I like this one as well, and taking surveys. Those three are my favorites: taking surveys, watching YouTube video, and data entry. To grow your business and make money online in Nigeria has never been easier. So wetin these people they do now, you don't see them. Now all the things wey they do now, be this thing now wey be say I just read for now, right? And now make we just go down a little bit, make we foresee. Take a survey, write an honest review, test an app, and the things wey they offer for freelancers with this. Follow on social media, and many more gigs there. So make we say for instance now, alright, you register to this website. On how you click on this job now, or how you do this job, waiting to give you now 42 naira. If you complete this job as well, you get 24 naira. When you complete this job, you get 48 naira, 18 naira, so and so, right? And I say, just like I said initially, I know people really use this naira workers, they cash out on it instead, right? So it just boils down to you. How hard are you willing to work? You get ahead. Now I don't show now the three websites. One thing I want to talk again, we say, you see all these online jobs there, you just guys get patient because it actually pays, but you have to be patient with yourself and you have to show up consistently. You guys put in the work. Anybody will say they earn $10 online, $20 is real, it work. But you now guys put in the work, and those people they've been putting in the work for some time. You get what I'm trying to say? So all these online jobs they pay, but you guys did, they patient with yourself. And also I want to just say, as I don't give you at this website now, try to do your own due diligence and see if it's something maybe say you won't go ahead with. And if it's something that you're comfortable with all due respect, you can do you, right? Now, as I don't talk this one, me now I don't come to the end of this video. This video don't reach 8 minutes, 23 seconds. And just as I talked before, kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell, and like this video, alright? Like the video so we'll push them out to as much people as possible. And with all of that being said, me now, I will see you now for my next video. Be well, be safe. I'm out.